Hello friends, in this video we are making a WhatsApp bot using Python. Here we use a library named, this name is webbrowser, or this is a WhatsApp based URL. Here you have to type a number on this you want to send a message. Like here I copy a number on which I want to send a message. Like here a number is copy, and here text, write a message which you sent. Like I want to send a hello friend, how are you? Now I type my message. Now I check the program, it is work or not. Here you can see that this is a number on which I want to send the message. This was text already type here. Like I will now send here, message already gone. This is our WhatsApp bot. Thank you. Please like, share and comment.